All right, so what we're looking at here now is the sump pump. We're going to test it, make sure everything looks okay. There is no water in here, so that's definitely a good thing. This is your sump pump here. This is your tether float. That's how we're going to test it here in a minute. This right here is your check valve. This is what, when the water pushes up, flows out, and then when the pump shuts off, there's a flapper inside this check valve that shuts down the water. That way it doesn't airlock the system. So with this unit, usually I go to the tag to find out the age of it, but unfortunately the plumber that did put this in didn't put the model or serial or the date that it was installed. But the new Zoller tags do have all that already on them, so it kind of gives you an age on them to determine how old the unit is. This one's definitely over 5 years old. Average lifespan of a pump in a crawl or a basement is about 5 to 8 years, so that's when I recommend replacing them if you're proactive. But we're gonna go ahead and test the unit with the tether float right here. And what you do is you just lift up on here, and you can hear it kick on. And then the switch and everything's working, and that's when it pumps the water out. So that is what you look for on a sump pump. Little preventative maintenance on sump pumps, especially in the down season like this, is dump some water in here with some white vinegar and let it sit. That way it kind of takes all the calcium and the lime off the side of the units as well.